Saturday, you can take advantage of more than 20 life-saving health screenings, all for free. This is Renee Mahaffey Harris of the Health Gap, and she's here with a preview. Good to see you, Renee.
Thank you for having me this morning.
So what kind of screenings are available? You don't have to list them all, but the major areas.
Well, some of the major areas are glucose for diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis.
Are these things that sometimes
BMI.
people know they ought to get screened for, but maybe they just let some time go by and don't do it?
Yes, your health is one of those things where, if you feel well, you don't think about it. But prevention is the key. And so the focus of our Health Gap is to provide free health screenings, also free fitness demonstrations throughout the entire day. We have a children's pavilion with similar activities with screenings and activities on nutrition and physical activity. And then we have a concert at the end.
Oh, fun.
And this year's concert is Bootsy Collins and Rubber Band.
Oh, gosh.
And the concert is dedicated to his nephew who died from a dental emergency.
I remember that. And
so we are promoting a great deal of dental awareness as well. So when you talked about screenings, we'll have dental screenings in both children's and adult screening areas.
Is there a certain group you're trying to target? You mentioned children a lot. Is it people who maybe don't have regular doctors and regular dentists?
It's children and adults. I mean, children live in families, and their parents need the information and need to learn those behaviors or where they can go and get free screenings ongoing. But at the Expo this year, we'll have a big emphasis on dental screening, but we'll also have many other screenings that are life-saving. We've had people come to the Expo and learn that they were diabetic.
Oh my gosh.
And learn that they were pre-diabetic or pre-hypertensive. So we're very blessed and honored to have the opportunity to work with many hospitals and health organizations and numerous volunteers and civic and social organizations.
Can you just show up, or do you need to sign up or pre-register?
No, you just show up.
Okay, that's best of all.
We open at 10 o'clock and the screenings end at 4. The concert begins at 5.
Okay.
So, there are activities all day, but we encourage you to come early because there are a lot of people out. Last year we had over 15,000 people. Wow. And we also made a Guinness World Record with the longest wobble line. So come early because we can't guarantee that you'll be able to get in the park after 3.
But you might have some fun. It's 10 to 5 this Saturday. It's the Closing the Health Gap Expo, and it's at Washington Park. So it's going to be a nice day. Go out there and see Renee and the other good folks there. Thank you, Renee.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for having me.